In our recent poll about which animal was faster, a lion or a tiger, the lion won by 39% versus 32% for the tiger. However, when it comes to speed, the cheetah is in a league of its own. It's not just the fastest land animal, but also the fastest animal overall. But what if we pit this speedy kitty cat against one of the fastest birds on Earth, a falcon? After all, falcons can reach speeds of up to 240 miles per hour. Cheetahs can run at top speeds of around 75 miles per hour. So a bird that can fly at over 3 times the speed of sound has got to be faster than a mere cheetah, right? Well, not necessarily. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird on the planet. When diving, these birds of prey can hit speeds of over 240 miles per hour. But most birds don't move that fast. Even the fastest bird on Earth, the white-throated needletail, only flies at a max speed of 60 miles per hour. That said, falcons are definitely faster than cheetahs. So who will win this matchup? Let's find out. As always, we're going to start off with some basic information about our two animals. The cheetah is a large, long-legged feline native to Africa and parts of Iran. It belongs to the Felidae family, which includes cats. The cheetah is the only surviving member of the genus Acinonyx. There were other species of cheetahs in the past, but they're now extinct. The name cheetah comes from the Sanskrit word cheetah, which means spotted. The cheetah has a slender body with a deep chest and long, powerful legs. Its fur is short and close-lying with a light undercoat and a tan or grey ground colour. The cheetah's head is rounded with small, rounded ears and large, round eyes. The cheetah's tail is long and slender with a black tip. The tail acts as a balance when the cheetah is running at high speeds. Cheetahs are known for their speed. They can reach top speeds of up to 75 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. They're also agile and can jump up to 20 feet in a single leap. Cheetahs are carnivorous, and their diet consists mainly of antelopes, gazelles, and other small mammals. They typically hunt during the day and are active throughout the year. Cheetahs are solitary animals and don't form social groups. They mark their territory with urine and feces, and are generally intolerant of other cheetahs in their area. Female cheetahs give birth to litters of 3 to 6 cubs. Cubs are weaned at around 6 months old and are fully independent at around 2 years old. Now let's take a look at the peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons are medium-sized falcons in the genus Falco. They're found across the world and are the most widely distributed birds of prey. The peregrine falcon is a bird of prey with a strong, compact body and a heavy bill. It has a blue-grey back and a white breast with a black dividing band. Its tail is long and pointed, and its wings are broad and rounded. Male peregrine falcons are typically smaller than females and have a lighter blue back. Female peregrine falcons are larger than males and have a darker blue back. The peregrine falcon is one of the most widespread birds of prey in the world. Found on every continent except Antarctica, they prefer open country, such as prairies, deserts, and coastal areas. Peregrine falcons are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats. The peregrine falcon is a carnivorous bird of prey, and its diet consists mainly of other birds. They typically hunt by diving down on their prey at high speeds. Peregrine falcons are known for their speed. They can reach top speeds of up to 240 miles per hour when diving. They're also agile and can make sharp turns while in flight. Peregrine falcons typically mate for life and typically lay 1 to 4 eggs per year. Eggs are incubated for around 33 days, and chicks are fledged at around 5 to 6 weeks old. When it comes to speed, there's no doubt that the peregrine falcon is faster than the cheetah. When diving, these birds of prey can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour. At that speed, the peregrine falcon would easily win a race against the cheetah. However, this isn't exactly an apples-to-apples comparison, since cheetahs don't exactly fly. To get a better idea of who would win a race between a cheetah and a falcon, we need to put them on more level playing field. How about we make the race 1 mile long? Now let's imagine the cheetah and the falcon at opposite ends of a 1 mile racetrack. The starting gun fires, and both animals bolt out of the gate. The falcon immediately takes to the skies and begins flying down the track at a speed of 60 miles per hour. Meanwhile, the cheetah starts off slow, but quickly picks up the pace. It reaches top speed within seconds and begins closing in on the falcon. As the two animals approach the finish line, the crowd is on the edge of their seats. Who will win? The peregrine falcon, with its superior flying speed, wins the race by a nose. Perhaps surprisingly, even when flying at just 60 miles per hour, the falcon still beats the cheetah. The cheetah is able to maintain its top speed for only short bursts, usually no more than 30 seconds. This means that once the falcon had built up a lid, the cheetah would never be able to catch up. If anything, the distance between them would only grow. But what if the cheetah got a head start? Would this change the outcome of the race? Absolutely. If the cheetah got a significant enough head start, it would win the race. After all, the cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. In fact, if the cheetah started the race 100 yards ahead of the falcon, it would win despite the falcon flying at 60 miles per hour. But what if the playing field was a bit more uneven? What if the race took place in the ocean? In this scenario, the peregrine falcon would have the advantage. After all, falcons can swim. Cheetahs, on the other hand, cannot. If the race took place in the water, the peregrine falcon would easily win. However, if the race was on land, the cheetah would win. The question is, how big of a head start would the cheetah need to beat the falcon? To answer this question, let's use the following formula to calculate the time it would take each animal to complete the race. Time equals distance divided by speed. Using this formula, we can plug in the values for the cheetah and the falcon and solve for time. For the falcon, the distance is 1 mile and the speed is 60 miles per hour. So the time it would take the falcon to complete the race is 160 ways, 160 hour or 1 minute. Now let's plug in the values for the cheetah. The distance is 1 mile and the speed is 75 miles per hour. So the time it would take the cheetah to complete the race is 175 feet, 175 hour or 48 seconds. So the cheetah would beat the falcon by 12 seconds. If the race was 2 miles long, the cheetah would need a 24-second head start. And if the race was 3 miles long, the cheetah would need a 36-second head start, and so on. As you can see, the longer the race, the bigger the head start the cheetah would need. So how far could the peregrine falcon fly in 1 minute? To answer this question, we can use the following formula. Distance equals speed times time. Using this formula, we can plug in the values for the falcon and the time and solve for distance. The speed is 60 miles per hour and the time is 1 minute or 1/60th of an hour. So the distance the falcon could fly in 1 minute is 60 times 160, about 1 mile. Therefore, if the peregrine falcon flew for 1 minute straight, it would cover a distance of 1 mile. So what's the verdict? Which is faster, a cheetah or a falcon? As we've seen, it all depends on the circumstances. If the race is on land, then the cheetah is faster. If the race is in the air, then the falcon is faster. And if the race is in the water, then again the falcon is faster. Ultimately, it's impossible to say definitively which animal is faster, because it depends on where the race takes place. But one thing is for sure, both the cheetah and the falcon are incredibly fast and skilled hunters. They're perfectly adapted to their environment and are at the top of their food chain. So whether you're running on land or flying through the air, you better watch out for these speedy predators. So what do you think? Did you know that falcons could swim? What's your favorite thing about cheetahs? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more fun animal facts and videos. See you next time.